Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change PIN. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to change the PIN, the first thing that you need to do is simply open the Tangerine app. And then once you're inside here, simply log into your account. Then next is to select your checkings account. And once you select your checking account or tap on checking account, next step is to open card settings. On screen, simply tap on more, then select manage card option, and then once that's done, what you need to do is tap on change card PIN option. Then once that's done, what you need to do is enter 4-digit PIN, simply enter it and then confirm the new PIN. The next step is to activate the PIN. Simply use the card at ATM to activate, make a transaction as a Scotiabank ATM, and then once that's done, your PIN will be changed. Next option is changing PIN at ATM. Visit a Scotiabank ATM and then insert the card and enter your current PIN, and then once there, what you need to do is select a change PIN from the option, then enter and confirm new PIN, and lastly what you need to do is save it and then your PIN will be changed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.